We've learned 3 strategies for multiplying fractions by whole numbers. Let's say we have the fraction 3/4, and we want to multiply by 4. One way that we could solve this problem is visually using pictures. So I could draw 3/4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And I could shade in 3/4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I would have 12/4 shaded in. Another way that I could solve this is by using repeated addition. I could take 3/4 plus 3/4 plus 3/4 plus 3/4, and when I add them, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, I get 12/4. A third strategy for multiplying 3/4 by 4 is to use the standard algorithm. Now, to make a whole number into a fraction, you simply put it over 1. Any number over 1 is the number itself. So when you put the 4 over the 1, now you can treat this as a standard multiplication problem, and you just multiply straight across. So 3 times 4 gives you 12, and 4 times 1 gives you 4. Now this can be further simplified. You can simplify 12/4 by dividing your numerator by your denominator. So 12 divided by 4 is going to give you the whole number 3. I'm not super concerned about simplifying just yet, but it can be simplified. So let's try another example. Let's say we have 1/5 times 7. So I can use bars this time maybe. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'll shade in a 5th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, shade in a 5th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I want to have a total of 7 of these. Because that's what I'm multiplying by. All right, so if I multiply 1/5 by 7, I have 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5, 5/5, 6/5, 7/5 would be my answer. I could use repeated addition. I could take 1/5 plus 1/5 plus 1/5 plus 1/5 plus 1/5. And I need 7 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And when I add them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I get 7/5. I could also use the standard algorithm. I would take 1/5 and multiply it by 7 over 1, because any number over 1 is the number itself. So I would get 7/5. 7/5 can be simplified by using division. I could take 7 divided by 5. That's going to give me 1. And when I do my subtraction, I have 2 left, so I have 1 and 2/5. So 7/5 is equivalent to 1 and 2/5.